Day number 3. So magla-Lotte World kami today. Tapos ngayon ko lang napansin, ang ganda pala ng view from the outside of the hotel kasi kitang-kita yung Ensol Tower. So, kung dito ka na kung dyan ka na kapag assign na room, very lucky kasi ang ganda ng view. Morning! So, weather report, it's -6 degrees. So, sobrang lamig kaya I got, hot tea. Para sa malamig na weather. Kasi sakto na din na lalamunan ko kasi ang lamig lagi. Annyeonghaseyo! Hello! Oh, yun yung hot air balloon na ride, oh. Yung may sinasabi din. Yo. So, nandito na kami sa Lotte World. So, may indoor, may outdoor parts. So, yung ticket mo, you can, use for both areas. Pero, as usual, maraming maraming rides, maraming tao. Lalo na buwan pala Sunday. So, medyo maraming tao. Actually, sabi, may 2,000 Korean students na nandito ngayon. So, baka magkakalaban namin sa mga pila, gano'n. Pero, enjoy lang.
시는 말조세로 말씀하지 않도록 요즘 손님분들 중에서는 적극적인 하차하시고 부탁드립니다. 예전 불편해서 하차하시는 손님분들
Nakatayo ka lang. Walang
안전하게 완료. 풍선 출발합니다. 나라라 풍선. 열면 문이 쏴도 열려야. 문이 열리면 내리실 때 미 조심. 천천히 하차해주세요. 나가시는 출구 왼쪽 끝에 있습니다. 감사합니다. 안녕히가. 안전하게 완료. 풍선 출발.
Ayan, Arlo.
ayun. Ako din, kinikiliti din yung pa ako.
네, maganda yan.
View from above.
Parang ganito.
Yay! We're done! So that was a nice ride. So pwede naman kahit little kids and kids at heart. How did you guys like it?
I liked it. It's so nice to see everything.
So parang the ride lasts around 10 minutes. Yeah, so 10 minutes kang nakaikot. Tapos makikita mo yung buong place from the view of the top area. So we're in a ride called Pharaoh's Fury. So I'm not quite sure kung roller coaster ba siya, pero I think very mobile type of ride. Are you scared?
A few moments later.
Hindi pa.
So ano masasabi mo sa ride kanina?
Okay lang.
I think it's fun, right?
Yeah.
Ano siya, parang 4x4 na bumpy ride. Hindi siya roller coaster, pero may mga certain dive. Kaya medyo napapasigaw. Pero it's very fun. We just ate ano pangalan? M Place. It's located here inside the Lotte World. And what did you get? I got pork sirloin.
I got tonkatsu.
Okay. Same. Very good. Parang yummy, pero ang dami masyadong sauce. So we're here sa may Magic Island, yung tawag nila sa outdoor area. So very Disney yung vibe niya. Since medyo limited time na lang, like less than an hour na lang kami, nag-picture na kami para sulit yung punta. And I guess baka next time na lang, I get to explore Lotte World more fully. I think I can dedicate a whole day here. So we're here sa may carousel. Ito na kasi yung maikli eh. Alis na kami like 15 minutes.
지금 해장국과 이거는 어디까지 없습니다.
So we're leaving na. Yun nga, I think a whole day is preferable para magawa mo lahat. Kasi nakata 3 rides lang kami.
And along the Han River in Seoul City, there are 34 bridges. And like this, there are so many parks, 20 parks. Also,
So, nasa ibang location na kami ulit. So, we just came from the Ginseng Center, Korean Ginseng Center. Wala lang akong footages kasi we're not allowed to film or take photos inside. Pero super interesting kasi we knew a lot of things about ginseng. Kung ano yung mga health benefits niya. Medyo may fear factor kung paano nila kinuwento sa amin. Pero, I think naman, it will really help. Kasi parang ang dami ko naman narinig about ginseng. Parang many times ago. Yeah. So, nandito kami walking at the streets ulit. We're going to the Gyeoksugong na may stone wall where it was featured sa K-drama called Goblin. Goblin, napanood ko na siya many times before. Hi guys! So yung lugar na yun, yung parang walkway na yun is just parang photo op. So very cute.
We show the crush people.
So the crush people?
Yeah, the crush people.
Yeah, wild though. Kala ko optical illusion.
Oh, come on. Emotional damage. Emotional damage.
So, as a first timer in Korea, ano masasabi? What can you
say? Okay na.
Okay na?
I'm enjoying.
Yeah.
I
Kamusta
love
yung food?
Masarap.
Kamusta yung weather?
Malamig.
Malamig na kaya or malamig na too much?
Malamig na too much. Ay, dumi daw.
Yeah, same. Kasi minsan talaga intense eh. Yung wind is yung nagpapasakit. Minsan naghahati yung face ko. Kainan again!
Lagi na tong beef.
So, kakatapos na namin mag-dinner. Solid na samgyupsal siya. Kasi nahirapan ako huminga kasi ang sarap dami kinain. But yeah, I think solid. Tapos nagbigay pa ng free ice cream yung guide namin. It was so nice. We just got free melon. Thank you, Charlie. O yun yung guide namin. So we're here sa may Lotte Duty Free. Ito yung last stop natin for the third day. So yeah, very productive yung day na tanda may ginawa. Okay lang din na yung Lotte Road was just a few hours. At least ang dami namin nagawa, right? So ngayon shopping naman, and we are fortunate enough to get 10,000 won voucher. So, pantulong din sa spend. So, what did we buy at the Lotte duty-free shop?
Hi guys, so we have first we have
Chocolate. Na honey.
and
Dubai chocolate.
It's not the original one, but
How many original ba?
he said Dubai Miss.
What else?
Okay. And then bought from Man. This one is a bit like these are glosses. And then lastly,
Mine. That's mine.
skincare.
Yeah, for the blemishes. The blemish problems. Again pa yung haul namin.